Baby, I think you're cute. Can I hit you up on Instagram? Cause you are the only thing I'm thinking of. And I can't stop it, I'm wishing you and I were talking. But even if we talked, I wouldn't know what I would say. My social awkwardness would just get in the way. And maybe I'm a little bit shy, but I'll try my best to compromise. Cause oh, I think I really like how you're always staring at your feet. Pictures only tell so much. So I'm thinking of a message to send you, but it's hard for me to tell if it's too long or not enough. But talking to you is all I want, and I'm trying hard to take a chance and send you the message. I'm hovering over send, but it's so hard to press it. Maybe I'm scared that you might hate me, but I'll try not to mess it up. I don't wanna confess too much, I just wanna get to know a little more about my Insta crush. What's the best way to start? Cause if I'm not careful, I might lay it on my heart, out of my chest too fast. But I really wanna make the conversation last. So I'll start off slow with something really simple like, hey, hello, I kinda like your dimples with that. So dumb, but I can't think straight. I've been thinking really long and now it's getting late. Oh, but even if I'm sleepy, I'm up all night just thinking of the words I wanna say to you. And no, I don't wanna sound creepy, but most of the time I fall in love. It's with someone who laughs the way you do. So talking to you is all I want, and I'm trying hard to take a chance and send you a message. I'm hovering over send, but it's so hard to press it. Maybe I'm scared that you might hate me, but I'll try not to mess it up. I don't wanna confess too much, I just wanna get to know a little more. But I can't find the words to say. Never been good at talking. I wish there was an easy way to go down this road I'm walking. I don't think I'll ever be close to a girl I only know through a close. So maybe I should just give up this time. But oh, trying hard to find a way to tell myself it's fine. But I know that, baby, I'm never on your mind. No matter how hard we try, cause you're never on my mind. One day I woke up with you on my bed. I couldn't even remember a thing we said. I was wondering if I ever really liked you up against my body, but it's like I'm not beside you. Can't think of a reason I should keep you close. Can't say you're the one I need the most, and I know that you can't say it either. Looking at your mirror like you don't wanna be hurt. You're never on my mind. I'm trying hard to find a way to tell myself it's fine. But I know that, baby, I'm never on your mind. And it don't matter how hard we try, cause you're never on my mind. I know it's been hard and complicated, I know what you know but you never say it. One of these days gotta face the truth. I'm not made for me, I'm not made for you. The best place for me is away from you. Lying in bed, I'm never facing you, and I'm hoping that I might make you mad, so every night you won't wanna face me too. Yeah, I could list the problems for a million years, but I don't wanna spend another minute with you here. I think I've had enough. I'll go ahead and be the one to break us up. 'Cause lately, you're never on my mind. I'm trying hard to find a way to tell myself it's